YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free XRP coin to if you have a Binance account, you can withdraw it directly to your Binance account, then make your sales and all of that. And you can also withdraw to other accounts. So guys, but mainly it accepts Binance. So if you have a Binance account, you are at profit. So guys, if you know you're watching this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called freecrypto.site. As you can see, as the name implies over here, so all you need to do is just do the link in your browser, or I'm going to also be leaving the link in the description box below. So when you click on the link, it's going to be taking you directly to this site. You're going to be seeing over here sign up. Now when you click on the sign up button, as you can see over here, here's the name it's going to be showing you, mydrops.xyz. So all you need to do as a first time user, input your email, password, confirm your password, then complete this captcha. Then as you can see, you're going to be doing a little captcha to verify you are not robot. As you can see, select all the shapes that are shown in the animation. So as if you watch closely, it's cycle, then you click on confirm. As you can see, we have been verified. Now you go ahead and click on register. Then after registering your new account, you go ahead and log in. And when you click on login, after verifying your email address, input your email address here, your password, then confirm this captcha which is over here. Click images containing a horse, and we're going to be doing that. Then verify, and you can see we have been verified. Then you go ahead and click on sign in, which is over here. As you can see, successfully login. So guys, when you're on this side, as you can see, I've made a whole lot of withdrawals. I have 0 drops, and my drops are 0. I have up to 19 invites. So as you can see, total requested payments, I've requested up to 6. And as you can see here, when I scroll up, you're going to be seeing this. As you can see, total earned is how many I've earned so far. I've earned up to 22,799.06 drops, and I've withdrawn them directly to my account. So if you share your referral link, as you can see here, when you scroll down more, you're going to be seeing referral commission, which is written here. Share your referral link to get 5,000 points and earn massive. You're going to be earning 10% of all your invites. And this is our referral link here. All you need to do is to click on copy referral link, and our referral link has been copied. So guys, to earn on this site, all you need to do is to click on, when you click on then you can earn by visiting website, capture mining, offer walls, coupon, lucky roll, play, filter, and mining. So guys, when you click on the visit website, here's what is going to be showing you over here. When you scroll down, you click on click on visit website. As you can see, you're going to be earning 144 points. So when you click on visit website, it's going to be showing you a website. Then you visit it for some times, and then I close it too early. So when you visit the website, you're going to be earning some drops. Then click on the captcha, verify you are not robots. So when you click on you are not robot, you are going to be selecting bedroom, which is over here. This select bedroom. Now click on verify. Then you go ahead and click on submit. Capture completed. So this is how you are going to be earning. So when you click on the train lines again, you can also click by capture mining. You'll be verifying some captures and you'll be also getting paid. So guys, to withdraw on this site, all you need to do is when you click on the three lines again, you're going to be seeing so guys, when you want to withdraw and you've earned some decent amount of points, that is same amount of drops in your dashboard, all you need to do is to click on withdraw. Now when you click on withdraw, as you can see, all accounts balance will be sent to your XRP account, that is to your XRP account on your Binance. So you click on yes. So as you can see, the minimum points payout is 300 drops, and as you can see in my previous withdrawals, I've withdrawn up to, as you can see over here, total end, I've withdrawn up to 22,000 plus drops to my Binance account. So guys, if you don't also know how to create your Binance account, you can go ahead, download the Binance app and create your account. Then you can place your withdrawal to your Binance account. So guys, this is how you can earn free XRP directly to your Binance account and make sales and all of that. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be updated and notified on that. Thanks for watching.